switch different holes when I'm portable.
I got my brother here, man. I got my brother Faces Zoe here. He always pulling up in something different. What the viewers don't know is that Faces Zoe was the first owner of this car. Well, he wasn't the first owner, but he was the previous owner of this car. He was the previous owner of this Mustang right here. Now, he just got all of them, but this is what he rolling in right now. He just dropped the top on y'all.
Oh, you got to
check him out now.
We live.
He coming through clean with it.
So my next task, I bought this the other day. I wanna
Here you go, my brother. Face.
What's happening, world? We live in full effect to God way. Follow me at FACEDAZOE. Faces Zoe. The
Y'all heard him, man. Get him, add him. All social media, man. All of it. Check him out, man. He got the blue and black scheme going on. You already seen the drop top. Come on now. It's the Florida way, baby.
Ooh, this thing look good on camera, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's the Florida way, baby. You gotta drop the top.
It was purple originally.
See? It was purple originally. Purple green.
It was purple. It was a sunburnt purple with rust everywhere.
Whew.
And with the Lord's provision, we turned it into this here.
Yes, sir. That thing is looking good, man. Look at that.
So I just put new door panels.
New panels.
I put new door panels, new seat. This seat new. New sun visors, new
Leather
interior.
Too,
yeah, leather's still good. What I'm doing right now is to spray this. So I got spray paint to spray these.
Okay, I got some too in the car.
You do?
Spray paint on deck, ready.
Oh, I had to get to work there.
I got 2 cans.
Look, I got that, and then I'm trying to. The guy was supposed to do it for me. The guy who painted the car.
Yeah.
He's supposed to do my grill, paint my grill black, but he broke his toe. So
okay. So
I still don't know if I'm gonna do it myself.
It's pretty much easy.
I don't want to mess it up.
You ain't gonna mess it up. All you gotta do is get some tape and there's some piece of paper to go around it.
Yeah.
And then cover this
up. I was gonna take it off. I was gonna take it off and spray it. I don't want to ride with it for the week now. Bad.
Oh, true. Get it done quick.
Yeah.
Touch it up.
But it can't turn out something, huh?
Yes, sir. What you mean?
I got the ball. Like, I want to get them on.
Yeah. So they don't have no wires going to them?
I don't know. I don't think, not that I know of.
Man, if it's just a wiring issue, Tuck can do that in 2 seconds, man. As long as you got like a black light, a black wire for ground, and another wire that goes to the actual lights.
Let me call him, because he just called me.
Check him out, man.
I just fixed the windows too. I got all the windows working.
Okay.
I just put this one on, just changed the shocks on the back. I want to paint the drum too, the brakes.
Yeah. You want to paint it black?
Yeah, I want to paint this black.
Yee. Top level.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's a scratch I got on there.
Okay.
I was sanding on there.
You gonna paint it blue?
Huh?
Blue? With the polish?
Which one?
Okay.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Yes, sir. But yeah, man.
Look good, I miss her though. I ain't gonna lie, I miss her.
Listen, you gotta get a quick drive in it, man, till Tuck come back, man.
I miss her, man. I miss her.
You don't want to get a drive?
Yeah, I want to get a drive. Let me call someone.
I gotta get my reactions because I ain't never had nobody else drive this car.
Oh yeah, I'm a driver.
You know what I'm saying?
Did you ever fix the headlight?
Which headlight? Oh yeah, I got new ones. These are new. The other ones over there.
Oh, these new?
Yeah, those new.
Okay.
Yeah, I been got them a long time ago.
Tuck, what's happening? Okay. Now Eric just came and met me over here. Eric just came and met me at the house. Yeah.
Because I don't want it to be in till I take it out. That's it.
All right. But how long? I can spell that.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so you see how it look, though?
Yeah, that's going to be hard.
Put it on the roof, and then whatever's left, might throw it on a wing, or because I was actually... like I said, about 40.
And that's enough for that. You probably could do the whole car.
Oh, nah, probably not. I don't
You
think
think
so.
so?
Cause I think I ordered like a.
You can do the hood in the top of the car.
I don't know.
The boy said, nah, he ain't going for it.
Cause you gotta have a lot just in case you make a mistake.
You do.
You feel me? But cause I was thinking about if I have enough, I might throw something right here.
That'd be cool.
Cause a lot of people be doing like all this. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie,
You
that
gotta be
bumper
real
is
good.
hard.
Yeah, this like one of the hardest one. This is the California special.
How much was that one?
This one like about 150.
How much was shipping?
Shipping is another 150.
All right, so that's what happened here. I found a bumper kit for that.
Yeah.
For that one.
Yeah.
Bumper and tail kit, but the shipping is a whole nother beast, bro.
Oh yeah. Yes sir. Yeah, you
look
gotta
good, though.
pay that cost, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have to need you in the video, man. Whenever I do my next video, I'm gonna need both of them. I'm probably gonna do stuff in here.
Okay.
Back there. We had the cars in there.
You already know.
Get some smoke going on, and I'm in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It looks
Already,
good back here,
man.
though. It looks clear.
Yeah, Rick be cleaning it up with that little lawnmower.
I see they got the mic stand set up. They got the band out here.
Man, he be trying to do all kind of stuff, man. He be trying to do all kind of stuff, man.
I just got the top fixed yesterday too.
Yeah.
So top fixed yesterday.
So how's the ride in it? It's like
The
feel
ride
good.
The ride good. The only thing, and I'll be honest, that bothers me, because I thought it was just my shock. There was some shaking going on with my shock.
Yeah.
So the shaking from the shock stopped, but they're shaking from the top on that side.
Okay.
So that top got a little wiggle somewhere. I don't know what bolt it is. Something is loose in. When you hit something, you hear it, and it kind of made me crazy because
You gotta
I thought I
get it.
fixed it.
Yeah.
Those little things. The guy just put this in, but he gotta fix all this. He didn't adjust it correctly.
Okay.
I mean, I've been junkyard diving like a mess.
Like back in the days, huh?
But I'm a fool out there, man. I'm practicing out there. Like I'm getting everything while I'm at the junkyard.
Yes, sir. You know it. Hey, man. It's looking good though, man. Always got a new project going on, man. Never stop working.
Yeah.
Always.
You know, you gotta be comfortable. You gotta be so comfortable in what you drive, man.
Exactly.
You know how I was riding. Last time I seen you this, I was at the junkyard because it wasn't working.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I got the tent put on the other day.
Them things dark.
Yeah,
Where you gotta put them on at?
On the west side.
You got a homie out there?
Yeah. You got a shop, but yeah. You look there.
Okay.
I paid them. They were supposed to be 80, but I paid them 100 for everything because I locked my keys.
Yay! For 1, 2, 3, 4 windows.
And
You didn't do the glass?
In the glass, yeah.
Oh, you did the front?
Yeah, half.
Oh, I see the half. Yeah, what I want to do, I don't think I want to do my front. That'd would be hard if I did it with front, but I think I just want to put a banner. I'm gonna put the Cervini banner on mine.
Okay.
Right across, and I want to redo them, but it ain't too bad. But I'm like, when you look at somebody else who got something darker, you like, ooh.
Yeah.
But
I ain't want to be seen. I wanted my vision is to drive. This is my tents all the way up.
Yeah.
I got the boot that go on top of the top.
Yeah.
The thing that go in there and cover. I got a boot.
Okay.
Cover the top when you driving.
Okay. Yeah.
I want my windows all the way up.
Yeah.
Top down.
You could just see your
slide.
hair, bitch.
That's it.
You can
That's
just see your hair.
That's it.
Yeah.
And I got new mirrors in the trunk too. I'm just waiting for the guy to paint them. So that's the only thing. Like I'm waiting for him to paint it, but there's certain things I want to do on my own. Like if I could get this off, I want to do this.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna get it off, but I'm gonna try to do this. My grill, I'm tempted to do it now. You feel me? Especially Tuck coming. Tuck know how to spray, so let me just try to,
Yeah, if you could pop it off, it's gonna be pretty much easy. Tape it up. You know what I'm saying?
I'm painting the whole thing.
Yeah.
Everything black.
Oh, even the chrome part?
Everything.
Okay. Get the chrome accents out of there.
Yeah.
Got the black accents.
Everything.
Okay.
I was gonna put tents on my
lights.
on my lights. They ended up bringing my lights back to life.
They brought it back to life.
Yeah,
They brought it back to life. Hold on now.
He sprayed, I'm not gonna lie, the dude sprayed the mess out this car.
Yeah.
And
Thing.
originally, I gave the guy who painted the car.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm pour the rocks. I play the motherfucking clock. We ain't switching my phone. I drop the top.